Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. How are you doing? This is teacher Amani, and guess what I got in the mail today? I got caterpillars. I've been discussing with my classroom students the idea of getting caterpillars and watching them grow into butterflies, so I went ahead and ordered this kit. It comes with 2 cups, and each cup has 5 caterpillars and enough food for all the caterpillars to feed and grow and start making their cocoons. It also comes with this log-shaped piece where we will put our lid where the cocoons will be hanging from. And then one more log piece, and this flower is a sponge where we can put our nectar so the butterflies can feed. And this is the habitat where our butterflies are going to fly for a few days before we release them outside. It's a little tricky to open. My son is trying his best. I think he almost got. Yes, he did it. Good job. I think it's enough space for 10 butterflies to be happily flying inside. It also comes with this instruction booklet that tells us what to do and what not to do, how to care for our caterpillars, how to care for the butterflies, what to feed them, and comes with 2 packets of sugar so we can make our own nectar and feed the butterflies. And here is a zoom in of one of the cups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 caterpillars. You can see one of them is wiggling. Look! And also that beige thing down there is food for the caterpillars. And this is my curious kitty Basbousa exploring the new kit.